This is parliamentary dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? Because of these advances, the time we have for controlling the forces of destruction is strictly limited. If within the next 3 or 4 years effective disarmament is not agreed to and implemented, then all the goodwill in the world will not be able to stop the drift to certain disaster. In the context of things as they are today, the great nations, the United States of America and the Soviet Russia, hold the key to war and peace. There is theirs is a good responsibility, but every country, big or small, is concerned in this matter of peace and war, and therefore every country must shoulder its responsibility and work to this end. In order to deal with these big issues effectively, we have to take big and impersonal views. It is only the United Nations as whole that can ultimately solve these problems. Therefore, while all efforts towards disarmament must be welcomed, the United Nations should be closely associated with such efforts. Para. The question of disarmament has been considered at various levels. There is the question of general disarmament and of the ending of test explosion of nuclear and them nuclear weapons. So far as the test explosions are concerned, considerable progress has been made in the discussions of the committee which has been meeting in Geneva. Indeed, it would appear that an agreement has been reached on many basic issues and only a little more effort is needed to complete this agreement. I suggest that a final agreement on this subject should be reached as early as possible. This is not strictly speaking disarmament, but undoubtedly any such agreement will bring a large measure of relief to the world. Disarmament must include the prohibition of the manufacture, storage and use of weapons of mass destruction, as well as the progressive limitation of conventional weapons. It is admitted that disarmament should take place in such stages as to maintain broadly the balance of armed power. It is only on this basis that success can be achieved, and this prevailing sense of fear countered. It must also be clearly understood that disarmament and a machinery for control must go together, and neither of these can be taken up singly. And now a proposal has been made that the question of disarmament should be referred to a committee of experts. In fact, experts have been considering this matter during the past years, and we have had the advantage of their views. Full stop.